How to add tags on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add tags on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you will come to the browse section like this. Now in order to add tags, tap on the profile photo that you can see at the top left. After that, tap on the edit profile option. It will take you to a screen where you can change various details about your profile. Now as you scroll below in the edit profile section, you'll get the options to change various details such as your age, height and other things. Similarly, you will also get the option to add various tags to your profile under the My Tag section. However, the My Tag section is not available in every country. So depending on where you are, it might be or might not be available in your country. Since it's not available in my place, there is no My Tags option in my account. However, if it's available in your country or your region, then you will find the My Tag section. You can add up to 8 tags under the My Tag section. So select the tags that you want to add to your profile and want it to be displayed. After that, simply save the changes and then go back. In this way, you can easily add tags on Grindr. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.